the build your own breathing apparatus for 1,000 subscribers challenge.
Easy, dude. It's gonna be hard, but I really want it.
This is Austin. This is Michael. This is Drew. We'll see what happens. We're here at Home Depot now. Everyone is gonna get $20 and we're gonna have 10 minutes to find what we need to make something to breathe underwater. Austin, how do you feel?
I'm feeling confident.
I'm feeling good. I spend a lot of time at Home Depot, so 10 minutes. I'm just gonna run around and we got this.
We're timed?
Drew, you know we're timed?
No, I didn't know that. Okay, well, I think I know exactly what I need to get.
10 minutes starting now.
I don't know if this is gonna work or not. What do you think?
That just tastes weird.
I don't know. I'm feeling kind of claustrophobic. I gotta go. I gotta talk to them. Come on this way.
Okay, I thought I could use one of these, but that's way too expensive. Next time though, next time we'll make like a spaceship or something.
This one's cheaper.
Alright guys, this is $9. I saw Lizzie and some other people try to use something like this, so I'm gonna try it like a clear tub. Hopefully this works. Got it. Okay, clear tub. Check.
$17.97. It's pretty much the whole thing, but I think this is gonna be, I think this will be fine. I just float underneath. It's got the little tube. I poke a hole in the top so air can get in, and then I just breathe, right?
Alright guys, I got bungee cords. I'm gonna need 4 of these. 308. Okay, I'm gonna get like 2 of these. And that's exactly, oh my god, these are heavy, $20. Woo, we're gonna win. Alright, here we go. Alright, we got it. Here we go. Dude, what's the percentage you think of your pool device breathing apparatus working?
100%, honestly. I just got a good plan and I think it's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna be the best, but I know it's gonna work.
Oh, God. Oh. Alright, time to build, let's go! What do you got here? Can you explain to me what you're doing while you're doing it?
Alright, I'm making these 3 flotation devices. I'm gonna tape those up really good so that they float, right? So I can be at the other end of this while they float up on the water.
So you really want this 1,000 subscribers, huh?
Yeah, that'll be dope.
What are you gonna do with a whole 1,000 subscribers?
I'm gonna have a log cabin out in the wilderness and we're gonna start a cult.
Whoa! Tell me.
Yeah, I had no idea. No, I'm thinking if I somehow can get a hole in this, so these tubes and get a cap on the butt, let this float up top, I'll be under it and then try to breathe through it.
What are you gonna do with 1,000 subscribers?
I'm gonna make some good videos. Alright, let's do this.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Poke a hole, this will float, and I'm just gonna be underneath it like so. I just realized I've got this whole like thing. It's got like a release valve and everything.
the heck?
So I might play with this and see what it does.
Hacks.
Sounds like a didgeridoo.
Yeah, it's just gonna be hard to breathe through a tube that's this long.
Austin's really facing some difficulties here right now, Marsh.
It's a hard challenge.
Alright, and done!
Will it work, guys? Watch to the end for us to test it out.
I think I might make this hole a little bit bigger. I made like a tiny little hole, but I realize now that I have to press this down, which is gonna be really annoying while I'm underwater.
What's going on right now with your DIY breathing apparatus here?
We got this end in, it goes into here. I'm gonna close this, let it float on the top. I'm gonna be down there under the water, hoping that this thing works.
It's gonna go like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then it's gonna hook up onto the lip of this, holding it submerged underwater. So there's gonna be 2 cinder blocks. And I'm gonna be like this. Hopefully this works, Mark. Give me a big thumbs up right now. If you think mine's gonna work and I'm gonna win 1,000 subscribers on M3, so we'll see what happens when we get to the filming of this right now. Hopefully I don't die. Woo! Alright guys, to see who goes first, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh yeah! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh no, wait! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh man! Alright, you go first, bro.
I'm going first, guys. Wish me luck, give me some likes right now. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Wait, you guys all have wetsuits?
Yeah.
Wetsuits?
I am wearing a woman's wetsuit. It's very tight.
Look how Austin just naturally stands.
Oh, it's painful a little bit.
I'm glad wetsuit, I have a wetsuit.
Not cool.
Yeah, zip me up. Ah! Alright, you guys ready to see mine work? It's so cold.
You got it, bro. You got it. 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 Okay, you got it.
Woo! It is cold.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. go, there you go.
Can you talk? What happens if you stick the GoPro up in there with
Yeah, can you talk? Stick, put the GoPro in there. Down more, 20 more seconds. Oh, he couldn't do it. Stop, he couldn't do it.
That's pretty good.
My tub was too heavy. The buoyancy coefficient was too extensive. I did some numbers wrong. So we're gonna move on to everyone else's. I lost the first one, but we're gonna see Austin's now because he lost second in rock, paper, scissors.
You guys ready for this?
So Austin's about to go. We're gonna time it right now. I'm gonna film him underwater.
Yo, I'm so cold. Let's
do
this.
Oh,
Man.
All right.
I'm shitting because I may drown. All right, ready?
3, 2, 1. No, that's not good. It's full of water.
I tried.
How'd you get a leaf?
That's pretty good. What was his time, Drew?
37. All right.
Exactly?
That's cool.
Alright guys, it is Michael's turn now. He's got this gas tube thing. I don't know what his strategy is, but as long as he's underwater, he's allowed to make it work. So let's see it. Okay, here we go.
Alright.
Alright, Drew, get the timer out.
Alright.
Go!
Oh, is he underwater?
Yeah, he is.
Work it off.
We should have given ourselves an hour at least. This is ridiculous. This is harder.
But water came in somewhere. I don't understand.
Alright guys, we should have thought this through a little bit more. We only had 10 minutes each at Home Depot. It is Drew's turn now. I don't think he's gonna last that long either, so let's go. Go, Drew.
Cold, man.
Go, Drew, get out. I don't know if this is gonna work. It's just a straw with like a little, I don't even know if these float.
Are those cups from a gas station?
What is
that?
Big old Alright, so he got this thing floating.
I'm gonna hang out in the hot tub while I do this.
3, 2, 1, go!
I don't know, guys. It's looking pretty good.
Wow, what is working?
He's just hanging out. There's bubbles. Whoa.
Whoa, I can't breathe.
I heard something. What do we got?
Alright, I still got it. Alright, he's done here for 36 seconds.
Yeah,
Wow. We got a minute?
A minute?
Oh, he's coming up.
Oh!
You did it!
Oh!
A minute and 12 seconds?
He won!
Winner!
Oh, Drew's the winner of 1,000 subscribers!
Won, dude!
Anyways, guys, I know you guys were wondering how do we give away 1,000 subscribers without doing illegal things? Okay, it's gonna be like a little contest. Basically, everyone go subscribe to this channel right here. Everyone go to subscribe to Drew's channel right here. The first 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna go pick a person who subscribed to Drew's channel and shout them out in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to Drew's channel to help him follow his dreams so then I can shout you out and help you follow your dreams. We're gonna do this together, Marmar. Let's do this and I'll see you next time, right, Austin?
Right.
Woo! Woo! Good.